Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into some high-profit manufacturing business ideas. You can kickstart using hand press and injection molding machines. These machines are incredibly versatile and can open doors to a multitude of exciting ventures. Let's explore some of these profitable possibilities in detail. First up, let's consider manufacturing custom keychains. Keychains are perpetually in demand, and with a hand press, you can easily create personalized designs using various materials, like metal, plastic, or even wood. This allows for both creative freedom and catering to a wide customer base, from individuals to businesses. Next, think about creating buttons and badges. Events, organizations, and individuals often require custom-made buttons and badges for promotional purposes, creating a steady stream of orders. An injection molding machine is ideally suited for the mass production of these items, allowing for both precision and impressive efficiency. Moving on, you could start a business making small plastic toys. Children's toys continue to be a substantial market, and injection molding is perfect for shaping various toy components with intricate detail and vibrant colors. Furthermore, consider manufacturing plastic containers and packaging. Businesses across various industries, from food and beverage to cosmetics and pharmaceuticals, consistently need plastic containers and packaging for their products. Opening a broad market. By using injection molding, you can offer custom-designed packaging solutions, providing unique selling points for your clients. Another potentially highly profitable idea is creating various components for the automotive industry. The automotive sector requires many small plastic parts, and the ability to supply this sector can be very lucrative. Moreover, manufacturing customized phone cases represents another excellent business opportunity. With the right molds and access to the latest trends, you can produce unique and stylish phone cases that cater to diverse tastes. Another great idea is crafting personalized pens. Customized pens are always popular as corporate gifts and promotional items. Injection molding allows for creating pens with unique designs, incorporating specific branding elements, and enabling mass production, all of which are highly valued in the corporate sector. Also, consider producing cosmetic containers. The cosmetics industry consistently needs containers for makeup, skincare products, and other similar items. Injection molding allows for creating cosmetic containers in diverse shapes, sizes, and designs, enabling you to meet the specific requirements of the cosmetic companies. You could also manufacture cable ties and other fasteners. These components have uses in numerous industries, from construction to electronics. Also, you could make a range of plastic household items, such as hangers, clips, and small storage containers. Starting a manufacturing business with hand press and injection molding machines offers a diverse range of profitable opportunities. Remember to conduct thorough market research to identify your specific niche, develop a detailed business plan, and understand the technical aspects of each manufacturing process.